Hey, aloha, it's Michael Miller here at Tikis Grill and Bar, and we got some exciting news. Some of you know that I teach at the University of Hawaii, West Oahu, a business course, and we're expanding the course, and I'm helping co-teach with Holly here.
Yes, Professor Itoga to the students.
Yes. So I don't have the professor designation of it. I don't have the PhD professional thing yet. So
Yeah, you have all the working experience and practical knowledge, so we're putting that together.
yes.
Yeah.
And it's going to be a fun course. We have only a limited amount of seats for it, and it's Busa number
482.
482. It's going to be taught at West Oahu, but we're going to be doing a lot of field trips.
Yes, so be prepared to go on a lot of off-site visits.
Yeah. So it's not a lot of papers that are going to be due. We're not doing tests. It's more about real life experiences, having the opportunity to have conversations with business professionals. Who are some of the companies that happened last year or earlier this year?
Yeah, we've been so lucky to have such a supportive West Oahu community, and so we visited to the Four Seasons, the Marriott, Ko'olina Group, and Ko'olina Golf Course, Roy's out in Ko'olina, and then we also come into town for a lot of fun activities. So we've met with Pico and got the entrepreneurship aspect. We've met with bigger companies. We've met with advertisement agencies and midweek, and even Kona Coffee Purveyors, which is the hip new coffee shop in International Marketplace.
Yeah.
So that's been fun. Yeah.
And the Hawaii Tourism Summit
Yeah.
is another thing that we're really hoping to work with and get some partnership going there. You can sign up. We'll put a link down below, and you'll be able to learn more about the class. It's 3 credits,
Yes.
and it starts on
August 21st, Tuesday, 3:30 p.m. to 6:20. And it's upper division elective credit and host concentration credit. So it's a great class for anyone to take.
Yeah. Now, the seats are limited, like we said earlier, and preference is going to be given to West Oahu students first. The trick, though, is if you're not a West Oahu student, then you have to become a West Oahu student in order to sign up for it. But it's pretty easy to.
It is.
to
It's
sign
an
up
easy
for.
application process, and I think it's not expensive to apply. So yeah.
And for this course, we're not going to charge any more than what would normally be charged, even though you're getting the 2 of us. We're going to offer it for the same price that you would normally get a 3-credit course for. So once again, thanks for tuning in, and we hope to share some more with you as the course goes on. Have a great day. Aloha.
Thank you.